Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is shepherd's pie, or at least our version of it. We had some lamb left over from our cleftical recipe that we needed to use up, so this is what we decided to do with it. I'll make sure one of the end cards at the end of this video are linked to the cleftical recipe should you want to look at it. Okay, first we prepare the topping for our shepherd's pie. Simply put the potatoes in chunks into a pan of salted boiling water, bring up to the simmer, cook until knife tender, drain and then lightly mash with a masher. That's not hard, is it? Next you finely slice the leek. Next you grate the parsnip. Filming this recipe was quite difficult as I'm not speaking to the wife. Well, we haven't fallen out or anything, it's just sometimes it's very difficult to get a word in edgeways. Then you grate the carrot. Then you slice the garlic. And that technique of rubbing the garlic off the blade of the knife is not recommended. Then when you're ready to cook, simply melt the butter in a pan. When it's nice and hot, add the leeks, carrots, parsnip and garlic and fry off for 5 or 6 minutes. And when the 5 or 6 minutes are up, it's time to add a tablespoon of flour and mix in. Next you add the stock, splash at a time, mixing in until the sauce is nice and thick and unctuous. Next you add salt and pepper to taste, followed by the teaspoon of mint sauce. Allow this vegetable mixture to cook out the rawness of the flour for 2 or 3 minutes while we prepare the lamb. To do this, simply cut the lamb into small pieces. And when this is done, add it to the pot and mix through. Then it's off to a suitably sized oven-proof dish. And top off the mixture with the prepared potatoes. Then it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 40 minutes, or until the top is nice and crispy and the filling bubbling hot. Well, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now. Is it my turn to speak yet?